morning, all of you. Carbonyl compound. In this, we are going to discuss about Cannizzaro reaction. What is Cannizzaro reaction? In the presence of concentrated aqueous or alcoholic alkali, sodium hydroxide, a soluble base. Aldehydes which do not have alpha hydrogen atom undergo self oxidation and reduction called disproportionation reaction gives an alcohol and carboxylic acid. This is called Cannizzaro reaction. The alcohol formed is neutral or slightly acidic. Therefore, it does not undergo any reaction with the base alkali, but the acid formed undergo reaction with the alkali gives the salt of carboxylic acid. Salt of carboxylic acid is obtained here. First we take the aldehyde, aromatic aldehyde which do not have alpha hydrogen atom, benzaldehyde, C6, H5, CHO, one molecule of benzaldehyde plus another one molecule of benzaldehyde. Same molecular formula, there is no change. C6, H5, CHO. We know primary alcohol CH2OH group on oxidation gives an aldehyde which on further oxidation gives carboxylic acid containing same number of carbon atom. When benzaldehyde is treated with concentrated 50% sodium hydroxide and alkali, one aldehyde CHO undergo reduction. The CHO group on reduction is converted into primary alcoholic group. C6H5 aldehyde group is reduced into primary alcohol CH2OH. This is where benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. What is benzyl alcohol? Phenyl methanol. One carbon we have. In that carbon, one phenyl is attached. Therefore, one carbon methane all phenyl is added to that carbon atom, phenyl methanol. Another aldehyde undergo oxidation gives carboxylic acid. So, our another one product is carboxylic acid, benzoic acid here. Among benzyl alcohol and carboxylic acid, benzyl alcohol is slightly acidic in nature, not directly undergo any reaction with the base, but the benzoic acid formed undergo reaction with the sodium hydroxide, lost water molecule. This Na plus is added to benzoate minus gives the salt of benzoic acid C6H5COONA. We know the name of this salt. This is nothing but our sodium benzoate. Sodium benzoate. This reaction is an example of disproportionation reaction. Remember that. Now we are going to discuss the crashed Cannizzaro reaction, and in the next video we will discuss the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Now, crashed Cannizzaro reaction, easy reaction. If the Cannizzaro reaction takes place with the two different aldehyde, the reaction is called crashed Cannizzaro reaction. Now I take one aldehyde as aromatic aldehyde, benzaldehyde, C6H5CHO. Another one different aldehyde which do not containing alpha hydrogen atom, formaldehyde. Benzaldehyde IUPAC name phenyl methanol. Undergo Cannizzaro crashed Cannizzaro reaction with formaldehyde, methane. In presence of 50% sodium hydroxide, we know it is an example of disproportionation reaction. Among the two aldehydes, one aldehyde undergo oxidation, another aldehyde undergo reduction. Because of these two aldehydes are different aldehyde, which aldehyde undergo oxidation and which one undergo reduction? Among the two aldehydes, aliphatic aldehyde are more reactive. Therefore, aliphatic aldehyde undergo oxidation. Aromatic aldehyde compared with the aliphatic aldehyde is least reactive. Therefore, the aromatic aldehyde undergo reduction. CHO group on reduction gives CH2OH group. We know what is the name of C6H5CH2OH. Common name benzyl alcohol. IUPAC name 1-carbon methane alcohol all methanol, phenyl methanol. Aliphatic aldehyde are more reactive. Aldehyde undergo oxidation. CHO group is oxidized into acid functional group. Carboxylic acid undergo reaction with alkali, loss water molecule. This Na plus is added to formate ion. Gives HCOONA, salt of formic acid. Nothing but sodium formate. Sodium formate. This is crashed Cannizzaro reaction. If the two aldehydes are different aldehyde, crashed. If the two aldehydes are same aldehyde, that is Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. And in the next video, we are going to discuss the mechanism of Cannizzaro reaction. Thank you very much.